Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am doing a BBL video vlog of my BBL journey with my Lipo 360. I am getting a BBL with Dr. Clifton Cannon on July the 29th of 2022. I will also be taking this journey with my sister. She is going down and her surgery will be on the 29th. I basically want to make videos that will assist all of my surgery sisters so they can have all the information they need and answer a lot of the questions that I had when I was on my journey. So stay tuned. So for our first topic, we're going to go over everything that I packed for my BBL and some of the reasoning why. And I will also give you pictures, and so you can be able to get a visual of exactly what I turned around and packed. I'm going to give you a little bit of background. I am a nurse, so I might be a little what some people call extra, but I'd rather go prepared and not be in a bind. So with that being said, let's start. I have it in my notes. So I will go over it, and then this series will definitely give you way more information. I'm going to go over flights and labs. I've actually written out a list of all the things I want to go over, why I chose Dr. Cannon, what vitamins we should take, what Facebook pages I followed, what IV service I turned around and I booked with. And so I'm going to give you everything that I wish someone had just condensed, and I'm going to do an entire series. So first and foremost, we're going to do our BBL Essentials. Okay, so one of the things that they suggest that you bring is a robe. I found a robe on Amazon that was a black, pretty thick material, and came with a hood. A lot of people were saying that after post-surgery, you are basically like freezing. You wake up freezing cold, shivering. So in my head, of course, I'm thinking I want to be as bundled up as possible. Give me something with a hood where I can wrap myself up. Because basically, they say you show up for your surgery completely naked. That's about compression socks and a robe on. So if I'm going to wear a robe, I need the thickest one that I can find. And I have, I will put that in the bio of where I purchased mine. Mine came off Amazon. I'm going to actually post the picture again, and I will give you that info. Next is the heated blanket. Now, I might be a little extra, but I don't do winter well, so that should tell you that I don't do cold. I am carrying a blanket, but unfortunately, I think I might have to pay a little extra to put it in my carry-on luggage, but that is fine. Seamless tank tops. From my understanding, the fajas are pretty uncomfortable. And they said that it rubs against your skin. You already have a lot of things going on. You know, you're really hypersensitive, holes everywhere. You got a faja compressing, an abdominal board and all that stuff. It just really makes it kind of hard to turn around and have something extra if you don't have to. Sheets. So my suggestion is that when you get down to Miami, find your local Walmart, Target, wherever, and get one of those bed in the bags. Me personally, I am staying at an Airbnb, and a lot of these places are definitely charging you for getting blood and stuff, all of their products. So I'd rather get like a $40 comforter set with sheets and all that other stuff so I can turn around and ruin my own stuff and not have to pay someone these ridiculous fees. And of course, you're not supposed to ruin other people's property in the first place. So that's understandable. Towels, definitely bring your own towels. I know the Airbnb I'm staying at has towel supply, but I'm not going to ruin people's stuff again. I don't want to pay a deposit. A shower curtain. From my understanding, and which from actually not even my understanding, from my experience, I had a home labor, which was like insane. And I had my water broke in my bed. And when I tell you it was a lot of water. So what we did was we put a shower curtain and then a sheet on top of the shower curtain. And when I tell you my mattress was saved, it had no damages, no blood, no amniotic fluid or any of that stuff. So I know it works. So definitely get you a shower curtain so you don't ruin other people's property. Hibiclens. That is a product that I got from the hospital, and it works wonderful. And we give that to our patients who have CHF, congestive heart failure, before they go to major surgeries and stuff like that. The one thing I will tell you as a nurse, Do not put it in your vagina. Do not put it in anything. Don't wash your face with it in it. Just your skin, and make sure that you get those a good cleanse before your surgery. You don't want to go in with any extra bacteria that you didn't necessarily have to have on your skin. Liquid IV, that is actually a product that I had never heard of before. But you can actually find it at Walmart. It's right over there by your Gatorade and everything. I can't remember the price on it, so you might have to look it up. But they have an option where there's different flavors, but I chose the orange flavor. I think it says that it's because it has vitamin C and it has immune support. And of course, you want to go into surgery with the best chances possible. Alcohol preps. So here's the tea. Like I said, I am a nurse, so I plan on getting an IV infusion. I'm not a nurse who can stick themselves, so I am going to have a IV infusion. I purchased one with, Lord, I can't think of the company who I turned around. Let me give you the information because she's so sweet. Her name is Barbara Ann, and she has a company called Barbie's Dolls. I booked with her. It was actually a very reasonable price. I think I paid it was $3 something, but she was really professional, really sweet, and I compared her price to other people's, and I'm also in a Facebook group with her, so I saw her professionalism, and I really liked the vibe that she put off, and she responds quickly. She has a website, it's legit, so I definitely am looking forward to that. But my plan is to leave my IV in, and the reason why I brought alcohol preps is to clean my IV port so I can give myself infusions. Which, unfortunately, if you're not a nurse, you won't be able to do that. But if you're a nurse, and I know a lot of us is going to do it, I suggest that you turn around and bring some saline bags and pay for one infusion. You can just bring some saline bags and give yourself infusions all week, because definitely dehydration, they say, is the issue because you're losing so much fluid. Gauze, of course, that is to catch fluid, blood, or all those things. Arnicare Cream, I purchased that. That is supposed to be like a homeopathic cream that you can put on to help with soreness. I had never heard of it until I decided to get this surgery. So they have it at Walmart. They have it at Target. They have it in quite a few places that I had no idea. I actually got mine from a vitamin shop though. They also have tablets. I suggest that you get the 30C. Honestly, I have no legit reason to why I'm telling you get the 30C. It's solely based off the fact that when I went to the vitamin shop, they told me this is the one that the girls with the BBLs get. I might be wrong, but hey, it doesn't hurt. They have 2 different strengths. I can't tell you the other strengths, but I'm sure neither one of them hurts. Medical tape. Of course, you're going to need that, not to put over your actual holes, but you might need something to hold your gauzes on or something like that, and especially based off of whatever surgery you have. I don't know how they do like chin lipo. I know they have a compression, but I don't know if you need gauze or something like that there. So just a suggestion. Wound cleanser, like I said, I am extra, so I brought wound cleanser with the spray kind, like an antibacterial you can put on your wounds and make sure that it doesn't get infected. Extra strength Tylenol. So here's the thing about Miami. We all go to Miami to get those bodies snatched. And unfortunately, because we're all going down there, basically the pharmacies are like running out of narcotics all the time. So I suggest that you maybe you can get your doctor to give you a prescription, your primary care physician turn around and give you a prescription. You get it while you're at home, or you have to bring extra strength Tylenol. I got extra strength Tylenol and extra strength Tylenol PM, and I also got Benadryl. They said that a lot of girls have a reaction after anesthesia, and with all those materials and everything on you, they say you have a tendency to be itchy. You, of course, when you're healing. I don't know if anyone has ever gotten a tattoo, but that healing process when it starts peeling and it gets itchy, I can imagine that it probably feels like that. I'm not sure, but I would definitely update you guys later. Dial soap, definitely scent free. Of course, Dial is an antibacterial soap. Of course, that's kind of like self-explanatory. Emesis Bag, I am not a vomit person. So me personally, even if it's coming out of me, I really don't want to deal with it. So I brought Emesis Bags. So if I do get nauseous post-surgery, throw up and throw it in the trash can. I don't even have to deal with it because I feel like I am bringing my mother and my daughter down to take care of me. And I really don't want them cleaning that up. So I don't know if they have them on Amazon, but if you got a friend who works at a hospital, give it a try. See if they have Emesis Bags that you can turn around and get. Heat packs, again, they said you are like freezing cold when you leave surgery. So I have those like little hand pop packs that I will put over my body when I'm in the car if I'm just that cold. Puppy pads. Now, some people say that you need medical pads. Me personally, I don't think that's necessary. I went to Burlington Coat Factory. I got 50 pads for $10. Now, I can't tell you how much the medical ones are. I'm not going to lie, I didn't even look it up. So I can imagine anything you put medical on, they have a tendency to skyrocket the price. So, I mean, might be worth looking up, but me personally, I just went and got puppy pads. Lipo foams from Amazon. You need abdominal board. I ordered one from Amazon, but I also ordered one from Shrevito. I actually ordered their abdominal board as well as their backboard because I plan on being a one and done. I want to be snatched and I want to do everything that I possibly can to turn around and assist the process. I also purchased a corset, and only based off when I read my instructions, they said that you might need a corset. So I got that just in case. Look it up. Because I know a lot of y'all probably shocked, like, what, a corset? Isn't that what the faja do? I read, they said something about abdominal board. They said faja. They said corset. I literally got all of it. Hair ties. I plan on having my hair braided, but for you young ladies who actually want to, like, I don't know, but with the vomiting and the fluids and all that stuff, make sure you have hair ties, because nothing's worse than having your hair all on your back and you're already hypersensitive. So I just can imagine that's probably very irritating. So I made sure I brought hair ties. My sister is getting her hair braided. I think she's getting knotless braids. So I brought those just in case for her. A water bottle, a very, very good water bottle that stays cold, that you can, has a good amount. So maybe you don't have to overwork whoever you came with. Now get up and move around now, because you don't want to clot, but be sure to get you a nice water bottle that actually has a straw. Mind you, you have to lay on your stomach a lot, and that's going to be really, really hard trying to do any other type of bottle. Scar Away. That is something that I got from Target to put over my, of course, me personally, I'm not self-conscious when it comes to my scars or anything, but I mean, if you can prevent something, why not? I got Scar Away. I got it from Target. It was about $16. Comes with 6 sheets. I can't tell you how long it's going to last. I will definitely post a picture. So we have that to put over the hole so we can of course, like it's self-explanatory, Scar Away. Peroxide for blood cleanup. You need a female urinal. Okay, so here's the thing. I purchased 2 different ones. I got one from Amazon, and then I got one from Snatch Faja. The reason why I got this is because of the fact that after I paid for my entire BBL, Snatch has partnered with Dr. Cannon's office, so they gave me a call. I'm not gonna lie, they convinced me. I got some percentage off, so I went ahead and ordered the second one. Quite frankly, I think I'm probably gonna use this one. It seems more sturdy versus this one. It's like really, really thin plastic, and honestly, I'm not trying to pee all over the place. Just be honest. Compression socks. Definitely get compression socks. You definitely need those for your circulation. You don't want to get a clot. I know you guys have researched and looked up a lot of these girls who have had deaths. Yes, they do things to prevent it being unsafe, but definitely make sure that you get your compression socks and get them moving as soon as possible. Another thing that I would suggest is that you get the Lovenox shots. I think right now they are like $50 a shot, but I actually read on one of my Facebook groups is that they are willing to give you a prescription, and you can go to the pharmacy, get it filled for your shots, and then you have to administer it yourself. Or have whoever you're with to do it. Baby, if you're afraid of needles, I mean, if you want somebody else to pay to do it, fine. But me personally, I am close my eyes and just get it done. This is what my suggestion is. Loose fitting clothes. Not gonna lie, I am definitely not a rainbow shopping girl. Nothing's wrong with rainbow. I just never really go there because I'm not gonna lie. Most of the time they in the hood, and yeah, I just don't have time for foolishness. I'm not gonna lie. But I actually went inside Rainbow today, and I got a lot of really cheap clothes that were actually really nice looking, and I'll show that later on in the video. But they were like $7, $8. I went to Target, got like $12 dresses, something that was like loose that I could just throw over my faja. I hate to turn around and walk around Miami and just be ghetto. So I had to definitely get something to cover that up. A massager with Snatched Body. They actually had a package where I got my massager, my BBL pillow, as well as my urinal. So I just got the entire package. And I will show you how it works later. But it actually seems like a pretty good one. Loose fitting clothes. I already know that. Scent-free lotion. And then last but not least, I say that you get flushable wipes. Is there anything else that I turned around and I forgot? I will definitely put it in the comment section below. And but I guess I will get ready for part 2 when I show you these products. And I will show you all the little extra things that I purchased. And then I'll explain those. All right. Bye. Okay, so we are on part 2 of what you need to pack. Don't judge me. I know it's time for me to go to bed, but I wanted to get this video done before I went night-night. Also, excuse the mess in my son's nursery. I am going to show you guys everything that I purchased, but I am in the process of packing, so don't judge me. Right? Okay, first up, let's move this crap out the way. This is the liquid IV that I was telling you guys about. That's the one for that you find on the Gatorade aisle. I have these to go over my incisions. I'm going to show you. They said that apparently you change every 7 days. I'm not doing that. They're water resistant, non-adherent. But here they go. This is a close-up. So the outside of this is actually sticky, and the middle part is like a little gauze. I'm going to bring those just in case I need to put over my incisions. Alcohol preps, like I was telling you guys earlier, for the IVs. Gloves. This is what I mean when I said Emesis Basin. These actually open up and you throw up into them. I am bringing my Peri bottle. I have no idea why, but I'm sure I can get some use out of it. We got us some gauze, some medical tape, the Scar Away that I was telling you guys about. That's like $16. Apparently it says it's a 2-month supply, but I don't know about that. I'll update you guys. Arnicare Cream, as well as Arnicare tablets. This is Hibiclens. Remember, do not put this in your vagina. Please don't do that to yourself. You will be miserable. Nothing's like a hurting butt, a hurting vagina, a hurting stomach. And for you ladies doing chin and arm, baby, you don't want this type of problems. This is something totally different. You're going to feel like you got burned. I have another thing of Arnica. I have my chapstick. I forgot to mention that. I have my, look, I love Target, so I trust their products. So I have my Benadryl, as well as my Tylenol. So I got my Tylenol regular, my Tylenol PM, my antibacterial soap. We have Poise Pass. They suggest that you get a shower liner, flushable wipes. My Lipo foams. I actually got those from Amazon. Compression socks right there next to it. Puppy pad. Folic acid. These are all my vitamins. So I got folic acid. We got stool softener. This is more iron. Don't mind it. That's my luggage stuff. We have seamless tanks. I got that from Amazon. I have my nice thick robe that I got from Amazon. We have our heated blankets. Now here is our boards. Now this is the reason why I picked this. I actually purchased 2, like I mentioned before. This is my abdominal board that I definitely am going with. I'm going to give the company a shout out. Baja Trebito. I hope I'm saying that right, but hey, if it's not, y'all can read. And I actually purchased a backboard from them as well. But this actually was my original abdominal board. And quite personally, I just feel like it did not give me the coverage that I would need. I want, like I said, I wouldn't mind being one and done. And that is it. Hair ties, like I mentioned before. Water bottles. I got this from Marshall's. It's actually just $8. definitely worth it. Y'all bargain shop because y'all know this surgery is expensive, expensive, expensive. Peroxide, as I mentioned before. Okay, so this is what I was saying about us nurses. You know, we're a little different. So I suggest that you get, don't mind my pump. I suggest that you get some normal saline and have a person put your infusionist or give yourself your own IV. And I would definitely have brought some fluids down for hydration. That's just my suggestion. And I can't think of, I'm lying. I forgot to tell you guys, I got my fajas. So here's the story, right? Okay, so when Cannon's office contacted me, they said that they partnered with Snatch Body, right? So after I paid in full, Snatch Body contacted me and I ordered my fajas, right? Problem is I ordered a medium. I went on the website and I filled out all the information and it actually told me that I wore a medium. I can't, this thing is, don't get me, it's great material, but I am so afraid that the medium is going to compress my butt because it was like so tight on the little bit of butt that I have. I was like, I'm not going to pay this money and have a butt that looks exactly the same because I have seen girls complain about it. So I got a stage 1 and stage 2, but I contacted Snatch and they were very, very helpful and great customer service. And they said that I can return these. And I actually ordered a large and an extra large. And if I don't need those, from my understanding, there is a store in Miami that will actually, I can exchange them when I get there. Here is my massager that actually I purchased from Snatched as well. As you see, it has the individual wheels that turn. It came in a nice little box, but I just wanted to take this out so I can show you guys. I also have my BBL pillow. Snatch Body has the option for you to get a soft or firm. I got the firm. I'm going to try to compress it. See, you know, it's pretty rough. So it's definitely going to protect your butt. I have the little carry case for my BBL pillow. So I will definitely be ghetto carrying my pillow. And lastly, I can't think of anything else, but here is the urinals that I was telling you guys about. I actually think I'm going to like this one better. It seems sturdier. And I just don't want to pee all over the place. And the thing about this one, I know this sounds crazy. This actually can fit inside of a bottle. I don't know if that matters. Or where your look or end up going or anything. But that's one thing. And here is the urinal that Snatch provided. So I'm going to unwrap this because I'm going to show you guys the material. Hold on. I literally have one thing to say. Snatch, count y'all days. So when I tell you, okay, see, y'all see this? I'm giving you the real. Now, imagine trying to pee into this. You hurting. And you really think somebody can pee into this. No, ma'am. Not it. So, again, back to my original thing. I think I actually prefer this one. And that's with pitch and track. So, yeah, this came in the package. Flimsy, really tiny. Honey, I might as well have got me a Coca-Cola bottle, slice the bottom off, and use it versus having this. This is, like, ridiculous. I'm glad I didn't pay, like, a ridiculous amount for this, because I would be, like, so pissed. But anywho, just giving you guys a rundown. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks, and feel free to subscribe. Bye.